If you want stronger muscles, watch this video until the end. Every day we eat foods that silently weaken our muscles without realizing it. But today I'm going to show you 4 powerful vegetables that most people ignore, and even many doctors don't talk about them. If you start adding these vegetables to your daily life, they can help support stronger muscles for years. Stay with me, because after this video, you may never need another guide on this topic again. 1. Spinach. Spinach may appear to be a simple leafy vegetable, but within its deep green leaves lies a remarkable combination of nutrients that quietly support the strength and endurance of the human body. Muscles are not just structures that move our limbs, they are living tissues constantly producing energy, repairing themselves, and adapting to the demands placed upon them. Every contraction of a muscle fiber requires a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients delivered through the bloodstream. Without this continuous flow of oxygen, muscle cells struggle to generate the energy they need to perform efficiently. One of the key reasons spinach supports muscular health is its rich iron content. Iron plays a central role in the formation of hemoglobin, the protein inside red blood cells responsible for carrying oxygen from the lungs to every tissue in the body. When muscles receive an adequate supply of oxygen, they are able to produce energy more efficiently, allowing them to sustain activity and resist fatigue. Even a slight reduction in oxygen delivery can cause muscles to tire quickly, which is why maintaining healthy iron levels becomes important for those who wish to keep their muscles strong and active. Beyond iron, spinach also contains naturally occurring nitrates that influence how blood circulates through the body. These nitrates can be converted into molecules that help relax and widen blood vessels. When blood vessels expand, circulation improves, allowing oxygen and nutrients to reach muscle tissues more easily. Improved circulation means that working muscles receive the fuel they need at the right moment, supporting endurance and helping the body perform physical tasks with greater efficiency. Muscle activity is an energy-demanding process. Inside each muscle cell are microscopic structures that convert nutrients and oxygen into usable energy. When the supply of these resources is steady, muscles are able to maintain their function without quickly accumulating fatigue. By supporting oxygen transport and healthy circulation, spinach contributes to the environment that allows these cellular processes to operate smoothly. Spinach also contains additional minerals and plant compounds that contribute to overall cellular stability. These nutrients assist the body in maintaining the delicate balance required for muscles to function during physical effort. Rather than working against the body's natural systems, foods like spinach complement them, supporting the biological design that keeps muscles active and resilient. Seen from this perspective, spinach becomes more than a simple vegetable served beside a meal. It becomes part of a larger nutritional framework that sustains muscular performance, helping the body maintain the flow of oxygen, the rhythm of circulation, and the quiet cellular processes that allow muscle tissue to remain strong and energized throughout daily life and physical activity. 2. Broccoli. Broccoli may seem like an ordinary vegetable, but its impact on muscle health goes far beyond what meets the eye. Muscles do not grow stronger only during exercise. They strengthen and repair in the time that follows, a process that is invisible yet essential. Each time we use our muscles, tiny microscopic tears occur within the fibers. These tears are not harmful, but instead serve as signals that the body needs to rebuild and adapt. How efficiently muscles recover from this stress depends heavily on the nutrients available in the body, and broccoli provides a unique combination of compounds that support this recovery process. One of the most important nutrients in broccoli is vitamin C. This vitamin is crucial for producing collagen, a structural protein that forms a framework around muscle fibers, tendons, and connective tissues. Collagen acts as the scaffolding that holds muscles together and allows them to transmit force effectively during contractions. Without sufficient collagen, the tissues that support muscle fibers can become weak, slowing recovery and reducing efficiency in movement. By supplying vitamin C in abundance, broccoli helps ensure that muscles and their supporting structures remain strong and resilient after physical activity. In addition to vitamin C, Broccoli provides calcium, a mineral central to the very mechanism of muscle contraction. Muscles move because calcium ions signal the fibers to shorten, creating the force that allows lifting, running, or even simple movements like standing up. When calcium levels are adequate, these signals travel efficiently, and muscles contract with precision. Without enough calcium, contractions become less effective, energy is wasted, and fatigue can set in more quickly, making recovery harder. Broccoli also contains other plant compounds that protect cells from stress caused by physical exertion. Intense activity generates reactive molecules inside muscle cells as a byproduct of energy production. In moderate amounts, these molecules are manageable, but when they accumulate, they can interfere with cellular repair processes and slow recovery. The antioxidants in broccoli help neutralize these reactive molecules, allowing muscle fibers to repair efficiently and adapt to future demands. Furthermore, broccoli's nutrients support a balance in inflammation, which naturally occurs after exercise. Mild inflammation signals the body to begin healing, but excessive inflammation can hinder recovery. By helping regulate this response, broccoli contributes to a smoother repair process, allowing muscles to rebuild stronger and more resilient than before. Through this combination of vitamin C, calcium, antioxidants, and protective compounds, broccoli becomes more than a simple vegetable. It quietly supports the internal systems that allow muscles to recover, adapt, and function efficiently, providing a foundation of strength that helps the body perform and endure over time, maintaining both resilience and vitality within the intricate balance of muscular health and cellular repair. 3. Kale. Kale is often praised for its deep green leaves and earthy taste, but its true value lies in the nutrients it delivers to support the body at a cellular level. Muscles are living tissues, constantly under subtle stress even during everyday activities. With each contraction, energy is consumed and microscopic changes occur within the fibers, generating reactive molecules as byproducts of activity. While these reactions are normal, excessive accumulation of reactive molecules can slow recovery, create fatigue, and reduce the efficiency of muscle adaptation. This is where kale plays a quiet but powerful role in supporting the resilience and strength of muscles over time. Packed with antioxidants, kale helps neutralize these reactive molecules, protecting cells from oxidative stress that can interfere with repair processes. Oxidative stress, if left unchecked, can damage the delicate structures inside muscle fibers and delay the rebuilding that occurs after exercise or physical effort. Antioxidants from kale, including vitamin C, vitamin K, and various phytonutrients, act as protective agents, reducing the impact of these stressors and helping muscles recover more efficiently. By supporting cellular health in this way, kale ensures that the body can adapt to the demands placed upon it and continue to perform at a high level without unnecessary wear on the tissues. Kale is also rich in essential minerals such as magnesium and potassium, which are critical for muscular function. Magnesium plays a key role in energy production within cells, facilitating the chemical reactions that convert nutrients into usable energy for muscle contraction. Potassium helps regulate the electrical signals that travel from nerves to muscle fibers, ensuring that movements are coordinated and precise. When these minerals are sufficiently available, muscle cells can operate at peak efficiency, sustaining strength and performance during both short bursts of activity and longer periods of effort. Inflammation is another factor that influences how muscles recover. After physical activity, mild inflammation serves as a signal for tissue repair, but prolonged or excessive inflammation can hinder the process. The plant compounds in kale support the body's ability to manage inflammation, helping repair processes proceed smoothly without interference. This balance allows muscles to rebuild stronger, while also reducing the likelihood of stiffness or lingering fatigue after exertion. By combining antioxidants, minerals, and anti-inflammatory compounds, kale supports the internal systems that govern muscle recovery and adaptation. It does not build muscle fibers directly like protein, but it creates an environment where repair and growth can occur efficiently. When consumed regularly, kale becomes a quiet ally for the muscles, helping protect cells, regulate inflammation, and maintain the energy pathways that sustain strength and resilience throughout daily life and physical activity, supporting long-term muscular health in a subtle yet profound way. 4. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are more than just colorful additions to a meal. Their vivid red, yellow, and orange hues signal a concentration of nutrients that have a remarkable impact on muscle health. Muscles are constantly under microscopic stress from daily activity and intentional exercise, and their ability to repair, adapt, and grow stronger depends not only on protein, but also on nutrients that protect cells, support connective tissue, and regulate recovery processes. Bell peppers provide exactly these kinds of nutrients, making them a quiet yet powerful ally in building and maintaining muscular strength. One of the most important nutrients in bell peppers is vitamin C, which they provide in very high amounts compared to many other vegetables. Vitamin C plays a key role in the production of collagen, the structural protein that forms the connective framework around muscle fibers, tendons, and ligaments. Collagen acts like scaffolding, supporting muscle fibers as they contract and stretch during movement. Without adequate collagen, the supporting structures can weaken, slowing recovery and reducing efficiency in muscle function. By supplying vitamin C abundantly, bell peppers help maintain the integrity and resilience of the tissues that anchor muscles, allowing them to work with greater stability and strength. Bell peppers are also rich in antioxidants, which help neutralize reactive molecules produced during the energy-intensive processes inside muscle cells. When muscles contract, they generate reactive molecules as a natural byproduct of energy production. If these molecules accumulate excessively, they can interfere with the repair and rebuilding of muscle fibers. The antioxidants in bell peppers help protect muscle cells from this stress, allowing recovery to proceed efficiently and reducing the likelihood of fatigue or cellular damage over time. These protective compounds complement the body's natural defenses, enhancing the ability of muscles to repair themselves after activity. In addition, bell peppers contain carotenoids and other plant compounds that help regulate inflammation. Mild inflammation is a natural and necessary part of the recovery process, signaling the body to rebuild tissue. However, excessive or prolonged inflammation can delay recovery and hinder performance. By supporting balanced inflammatory responses, the nutrients in bell peppers allow muscles to repair more smoothly, ensuring that the rebuilding process strengthens tissue rather than causing lingering discomfort or vulnerability. Regularly consuming bell peppers creates a supportive environment for muscles to recover, adapt, and function efficiently. Their combination of vitamin C, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds strengthens connective tissue, protects cells from oxidative stress, and helps regulate the recovery process. While bell peppers do not directly create new muscle fibers like protein, they enhance the body's natural systems that allow muscles to grow stronger over time. By quietly participating in oxygen delivery, cellular protection, and tissue repair, bell peppers help maintain muscle resilience, performance, and strength in the long term, supporting the intricate biological processes that keep the human body active, responsive, and capable throughout daily life and physical exertion.